everyone, welcome back, and for this video we are going to unbox our DSWD relief supply. Ayan. It says in here, yan, not for sale. So let's check what's inside of the relief supplies. So let's go ahead and open. So here we go. Oh, ayan. We have some rice. We have rice. It seems like it is 3 kilos of rice pack. And another rice. Another rice. So we have 2 packs of rice. And we have energy, vanilla, and we have five energy, and then we have also crema white coffee from Sunmeg. Ayan. We also have 5 crema white coffee. Yeah. And we have bingo corned beef. 1, 2, 3. Gold cup sardines. 1, 2. And we have another bingo corned beef. So we have 4 bingo corned beef. And century tuna flakes in oil. Fish every day. Fish every day. 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 century tuna flakes in oil. And that's it. That's our supply, relief supply from DSWD. Yan. So yan guys, thanks for watching and stay safe. Bye bye.